Raised garden beds offer several advantages for farming during the summer season. By lifting the garden above ground level, the hassle of bending down to work is greatly reduced, making it much more comfortable in the heat. Additionally, the soil in these beds warms up relatively quickly in the spring, allowing you to start planting earlier. They also naturally protect against many common garden pests like caterpillars, moles, or deer and make weed control much easier. Number 1. Vegu Garden Raised Garden Bed Kit. Our top pick for the best raised garden bed is the Vegu Garden Raised Garden Bed Kit because it can be configured 9 different ways. This versatile raised garden bed kit includes 12 pieces that can be assembled into configurations like 2 into 8 feet, 3.5 into 6.5 feet, or 5 into 5 feet, or customized into smaller shapes to fit your space. We tested the 17-inch deep version, perfect for deep-rooted plants and easier on the back during summer gardening. With no bottom, it offers excellent drainage and allows earthworms to enrich the soil naturally. While assembly was simple in theory, it took us over 2 hours, far longer than the advertised 30 minutes, mostly due to the tedious task of peeling protective film from both sides of each panel. Still, it performs well. 2. Cedar Raised Garden Bed. Made of cedar that's naturally resistant to root and insects, the greenish fence cedar raised garden bed will stand up well to the elements. During testing, we were happy about the quality of the wood and thought the natural look of the cedar bed enhanced our garden space. We were also pleased that this raised garden bed was simple and easy to assemble. Thanks to a tongue and group system, the raised bed frame fits together without any tools. However, we wish the instructions included illustrations to help us better understand how the frame fit together. It was so easy to assemble that when we decided we wanted the raised garden bed in a new location, we simply took it all apart and put it back together instead of moving the whole frame. Because it is a frame, keep in mind that it doesn't have a bottom base. We recommended placing some landscaping fabric down before adding your soil to help prevent weeds. Number 3. Mobile Raised Garden Bed. The best choice mobile raised garden bed is ideal for patios or porches, requiring no yard at all. It offers one large planting area with 4 drainage holes to prevent overwatering issues. Perfect for summer gardening. Though assembly took nearly 2 hours with a standard screwdriver and some holes were misaligned, the bed has held up well through storms. We love the foldable side shelves for tool storage and the locking wheels for easy movement and seasonal storage. Despite initial quality concerns, our flower seedlings thrived, growing strong and tall within weeks. An electric screwdriver would speed up assembly considerably.